Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 make a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue typically arises from wear and tear on the blade assembly or a misalignment caused by improper usage. If left unchecked, this grinding can lead to further damage, potentially affecting the motor and overall functionality of your device. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools and materials, a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, and some cleaning cloths. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Begin by carefully removing the bowl from the base. To do this, twist it slightly and lift it off. Next, you will need to access the screws holding the base cover in place. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws located at the underside of the base. Be gentle as you unscrew them, applying steady force. Once the screws are out, you can lift the cover away, revealing the internal components. The grinding noise usually comes from the blade assembly, which is located centrally within the bowl's housing. To locate it, look for the circular component where the blades are fitted. You might need to disconnect a few wires carefully, make a note of where they go for reassembly later. Use your screwdriver to remove any additional screws securing the blade assembly in place. When removing the assembly, be cautious not to damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old blade assembly is out, take your new one and position it securely in place. Reattach the screws, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Reconnect any wires you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. Now, it's time to replace the base cover. Position it carefully and screw it back into place. Finally, reattach the bowl to the base and plug in your device. Turn it on and test the blades to ensure the grinding noise has disappeared. To prevent this issue from recurring, be sure to clean the blades regularly and avoid overloading your Thermomix during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.